Hey, Matt from MT. This short video is just to recap the existing process for creating accounts on Clever Touch tools via the SAP system. This is largely unchanged from the Sahara AV system, so this is mainly as a reminder or for new members of staff who just need to recap on this. So the general way that this flows is that someone that wants to become a reseller fills in an account application form, which then is emailed to a Sahara admin for overview and for approval. If they're a UK customer, then the next step is to enter them into the SAP system, um, which is here, into a business partner. The business partner master data has many fields to complete, but you'll notice over here on the right hand side you have a can use website, yes, and a web access email over here. These two are the key fields when you're creating a new business partner in SAP or reactivating an old one. You change this to a yes, and then you make sure that there is the email address of a manager, maybe even a director at that new customer, and they are sent an email that invites them to Clever Touch Tools. Um, it's a straightforward process. They get a link in an email, they click on that link, it takes them to Clever Touch Tools, and from there they create the first account of many on Clever Touch Tools. If they've come to the system via SAP, let me just go to a similar page. If they've come here via SAP, then they will get a special option up here called Manage Users. And Manage Users is where that initial member of staff can then create all of the other accounts that are needed. So they can create, there's actually no limit, they can create one for every supervisor, one for every salesperson, one for everybody that's needed within the company. And those are sent out as invitations to each person in turn as they're added using this purple button here, and then they get a chance to set up a password and all the rest of it. It always remains that customer managers have this ability. If they create someone that's a buyer, they don't have the ability to add new users. So just to recap, someone who's a manager level, and the first user that came from SAP will always be a manager. They can create subsequent members of staff here, but buyers can't. In fact, they actually lack the option to manage users here. They can look after their own details, but they can't invite new users there. And obviously, if you have access to this page, then you can suspend a login, you can delete a login, you can upgrade or downgrade their role, all the kind of usual things. Okay, hope that's straightforward. Bye.